My dear students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, today I will explain what is the difference between JDK versus JRE versus JVM. What is JDK? What is JRE? What is JVM? Right. Now JDK. Have you completed to write this? Did you note on
Yes,
this
sir.
yesterday? Okay, good. Now JDK means Java Development Kit. What is the meaning of JDK? It stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. What is the use of this JDK? See, first of all, you have to write a program. Am I right? Writing a program is nothing but developing an app or developing a software. To write a software, to develop a software, there should be a good environment. That environment will be provided by JDK. So JDK provides software development environment. This is about JDK, right? So to develop an application, you need to use so many tools. Like in C language, printf, scanf, data types, keywords. You have to use a lot of tools. Those tools are available in JDK. By using JDK tools, you can build a software. So it provides a software development environment. Now what is JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It stands for Java Runtime Environment. Right. After writing the program, we have to compile. We have to run the program. To run the program, there should be a good atmosphere, good environment. That will be provided by JRE. So JRE provides runtime environment. Runtime environment for your software. Now, what is JVM? What is JVM? Now, see here. Here I told you it is the source code. Here you compiled. After compilation of this source code, it gets converted into byte code. Am I right? Yes. This byte code is machine independent. Means it cannot be understood by computer also. Now, who will understand this? There is a special software that is called as JVM. JVM can understand this and execute. So that is known as JVM. Now what is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Right. What is the use of this one? After compilation, the Java source code gets converted into which language? After compilation, source code converted into byte code. Am I right? Source code gets converted into byte code. This byte code is machine dependent or machine independent? Machine dependent. Byte code is machine dependent. dependent. It cannot be understood. It cannot be understood by system. System cannot understand this byte code. It can be understood. It can be understood by a special software. A special software that is called as JVM. Whenever you start the computer, this JVM will be loaded into the memory. So JVM always loaded into memory. It always be in memory. Right. So actually, it is not a computer. It is not a machine. It is a virtual machine. Why? Because it does not physically exist. It is a logical thing. It is not a physical thing. So it is virtual machine. It is not present in physical. In physical, right? It is known as, it is a software. It is not a machine. So it is not present in physical. So it is a logical thing, software thing. It is about JVM. Got the difference between JDK, JVM and JRE? Is it clear? Now note on this. Now here I will mention how JRE means Java runtime environment will be by using paintbrush. Look at this. There are two computers. Here it is a developer's computer. Here it is the user's computer. User's computer. Two computers are there. First of all, you have to write a program. That program is called as source code. Am I right? Source code. You have to write program that is called as source code. All right. This source code should be compiled by using which tool? For compilation, you have to use Java C tool. Java compiler. You have to use Java C for compilation. After compilation, this source code gets converted into byte code. Which code? Byte code. It is known as byte code. It is known as byte code. Byte code. Right. Now it is the source code. You compile this one. Now it got byte code. This one we have to give to the customer. Here there is a special tool. It is known as byte code loader. What is that? It is known as byte code loader. Byte code loader. So your software will be loaded into the client machine by using byte code loader. After that, there is a special tool. It is called as byte code verifier. What is that? Byte code verifier. It is called as byte code verifier. Byte code verifier. bytecode verifier. After loading the bytecode into your system, it should be tested. Bytecode loaded successfully or not. That can be done by using verifier, bytecode verifier. Whenever it tested, the bytecode was loaded successfully or not. After that, it will be compiled. This program will be compiled. To compile this program, there are two ways. One is by using JavaC, you can compile, or by using JIT compiler also you can compile. JIT compiler means just-in-time compiler. You can compile this program again, using Java, not JavaC. JavaC means Java compiler. Java means Java interpreter. You have to use Java interpreter for compilation, or you can use JIT compiler also for compilation. Anyone you can use. You can use this one, or you can use this one also. Anyone you can use. Anyone computer can use. After second time compilation, this bytecode will be converted into machine understandable code. Then hardware can execute your program. Hardware will execute your program. So this is the last one, is the hardware. Right, in this way your program will be executed. I will explain this again. Right. First of all, you have to write the program. That is known as source code. After writing the source code, you have to compile it. For that, you have to use JavaC, means Java compiler tool. After compilation, this source code gets converted into bytecode. You have to submit this bytecode to the customer. Customer loaded it into his system. There is a tool which will load this bytecode into his system. That is known as bytecode loader. After loading, you have to test whether the loading is successful or not. That can be done by using bytecode verifier. After verifying, this again need to be compiled by using Java tool or by using JIT compiler. Now it gets converted into machine understandable. Then hardware can understand and hardware execute. In this way, your program will be executed. There are two types of machines now. This is known as compile time environment. Compile time environment. Right. So this is known as compile time environment. Now what is this one? It is in user's machine, means it is runtime environment. Runtime environment. This is known as runtime environment. So this is about runtime environment and compile time environment. I am pasting this diagram here. Note down these two. Right. Note down this. My dear friends, 2-3 more days we will have theory. Once you complete the theory, all these are new terminology, that's why it is looking odd. After completion of theory parts, we go to programs. Then you can find so many easy. It is so easy than C language. I already, first of all, I told you, it is a simple programming language. It is so easy programming language. Don't worry about this. You keep listening. After 2-3 days, you can easily understand this Java. Harika, am I audible to you? Chandrasekhar?
Yes, sir,
Namrata?
you're audible.
Okay, good, good. Can I scroll down?
Yes, please.
Right. After completion of writing, please tell me.
Completed, sir.
Okay, right. Now, the next concept is data types. Data types. It is there in C language also now. What is data type? What is data type? Right. Now, data type means the keywords. Those are used to explain about type of data. What is data type? Data type is a keyword. Data type is a keyword. It is used. What is the use of int char float double? It is used to describe, means description, describe the type of data. Java supports 8 types of data types. Java supports 8 types of data types. What are those data types? I will mention the size also. Character data type, 2 bytes. In C language, it is 1 byte. In Java, it is 2 bytes. Integer data type. In C language, it is 2. In Java, it is 4 bytes. Float data type. In C and Java, both are same, 4 bytes. Next one is double data type. It is 8 bytes. Next one is short. It is 2 bytes. Short. Next one is long integer. It is 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Next one is Boolean. Boolean means 1 bit. What is the meaning of 1 bit? 1 by 8th. So 8 bits are called as 1 byte now. It is 1 bit at 0 or 1. Last one is byte. Byte means 1 byte. So these 8 types of data types are available in Java. How many types of data types are available? 8 types of data types are available. Right? Note of this. In C language, we have 4 data types, 4 modifiers. In C language, long and short, these 2 are modifiers. But in Java, long and short, these 2 are the data types, not modifiers. After completion of writing, please tell me.
I screenshotted it, sir. It's a lot quicker.
Screen is not getting. Not visible.
No, no. I said if we screenshot it, it is a lot quicker.
No. Better to write. Don't take screenshots. Okay. Better to write down. Maintain the notes. Right. Don't depends upon the phone. Not writing. Who is speaking? Harika or Sapna? Namrata?
Yeah.
Who is speaking now?
Sorry.
Namrata. Who gave that idea? Take a
I
screen.
that idea.
Right. Namrata, better to write out. You have to put a notes. Why? Because Java language is a very, very important programming language. You need to remember all these concepts until you retire from your job. Right? Note on this, Namrata.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Chandrasekhar, after completion of writing, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, I have noted.
Not yet completed?
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Done. Right. Now, next concept is wrapper classes. Wrapper classes. What is the meaning of wrapper classes? Now, forget about Java. I will give a small example explanation in C language. Suppose there is a character. Character name is CH. It contains small a. It contains small a. Now I want to convert this to capital letter. What is the one line code I have to write here? It is same in C, it is same in Java also. What is the one line code we need to write to convert a lowercase character to uppercase character? Not remembered? The statement is ch equal to ch minus 32. Now, how this will be converted to uppercase? I will explain here. Ch equal to, what is there in variable ch? It contains a, no? Now, ch is equal to a minus 32. Now, used which operator here? Minus operator. Minus operator work on only numbers, no? It cannot work on alphabets. It cannot work on strings. Now, right side number is there. Left side character is here. Now we need to convert this character into number. Now it will be converted like this. Ch equal to, what is the ASCII value of small a? ASCII value of small a. It is 97 minus 32. What is ASCII value? What is ASCII value? See, you write so many programs in C language. You are writing programs in C language using English. You can understand English, but computer cannot understand English now. Then what to do? We have to convert the data what you type into machine understandable. That conversion is known as information interchange. What is that? Information interchange from one language to another language. To do information interchange, A for America, American scientist developed some standard codes. SC means standard codes. American standard code for information interchange, that is known as ASCII value. What is the ASCII value of small a? ASCII value of small a is 97. Now CH equal to, now you can perform the minus operation. 97 minus 32. What is the result? It is equal to 65. Now here you need to use assignment operation. Assignment means you need to store 65 in CH. But what is the data type of CH? It is character. It allows to store only characters. It won't allow to store numbers. Now what to do? Again it should be converted to 65 means capital A. Now see, I typed small a, finally I got capital A. In this way, data will be converted from one data type to another data type. So it is known as type conversion. Am I right? Type conversion. So it is automatically converted. Here small a converted into 97. You need not write any code. It will be automatically converted. 65 will be converted into capital A. Here also you need not write any code. System automatically converted. Now, in sometimes we need to convert the data from one language to another language using some external methods. By using some external force, by using some external methods, you have to convert data from one data type to another data type. Those conversion methods are available in special classes. Those are called as wrapper classes. Okay? Got it? What is wrapper class? So now I will give the theory. While converting, while manipulating the data, we need to convert data from one type to another type. Data from one data type to another data type. It is called type conversion or typecasting. It is called as type conversion or typecasting. Right. It is how many types? Two types. Type conversion is two types. One is implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. Second one is explicit type conversion. Now, what is the meaning of implicit type conversion? Implicit type conversion means just now I completed one example. That was example for implicit typecasting. Means you need not to do anything. The data will be converted from one data type to another data type without doing anything. Right. I will give a real example. I have 1 kg ice cube, 1 kg. I put on some table. After 1 hour, what happens? 1 kg ice will be there or it will be melted. It will be melted. To melt ice into water, you need to do anything? You need not to do anything. It will be automatically converted. But I have 1 kg iron. I put on table. After 1 hour, what happens? Nothing will be happen. To convert iron cube into liquid, then I have to heat up. So some will be converted automatically, some will be converted by doing something. Now implicit typecasting is nothing but without doing anything, you can convert data from one type to another type. That is known as implicit typecasting. In implicit typecasting, data converted from one type to another type without using any conversion methods. Any conversion methods. Without using any conversion methods. It will be automatically converted. Automatic conversion will be happen. Conversion will be happened. Now what about explicit typecasting? Explicit typecasting. Here data will be converted from one type to another type by using some external methods. So in explicit typecasting, data converted from one data type to another data type using some external methods. Some external methods. So these methods are available. These methods are available in some files. Those files are called as wrapper classes. Available in some classes. Those classes are called as wrapper classes. Wrapper classes. Now, what are the wrapper classes available? These are the wrapper classes available in Java. For each data type, we have now the first data type wrapper class name. Wrapper class. Data type is character. Now we have character wrapper class. For char, we have character wrapper class. Now for int, we have integer wrapper class. Float, for float we have float wrapper class. Double, for double we have double wrapper class. Short, for short we have short wrapper class. Long, for long we have long wrapper class. Boolean, for boolean we have boolean wrapper class. Byte, for byte we have byte wrapper class. Now you may get one doubt. What is that? It is also byte. It is also byte. How you are saying it is a data type? How you are saying it is wrapper class? Actually, all data types are in lowercase. If it is lowercase, then it is data type. If it is it starts with uppercase, then it is class name. So in this way, computer can understand what is the data type, what is the wrapper class. So here we have 8 wrapper classes here, right? Now note on this data types completed. You complete this. You have to write from here, no? Note on this wrapper classes. Is it clear? To convert the data from one data type to another data type, we have to use some conversion methods. Those conversion methods are available in wrapper classes. After completion of writing, please tell me. After completion of writing, please tell me. Chandrasekhar, Harika.
Completed, sir.
Good. Now, the next topic is how to write Java application. Right? How to write means build. How to build Java application. Right? Now I am writing notes. For that I am using a software. What is that? Microsoft Word. Now, if you want to write a C program, there is a software. I am using code block software. But Java developers doesn't provide any software to write Java program. Java developers doesn't provide any software to write or build Java application. Now the first point is Java developers does not provide any software to develop a Java application. Now what to do? You can use any editor. Notepad you can use, WordPad you can use, Edit Plus you can use. You can use any editor to develop Java application. So we can use any editor. Any editor to develop a Java application means program application. After writing the program, what you have to do? We have to save that program. So Java program must save with which extension? .java. C program always save with the .c. In the same manner, it always save with the .java extension. Java program must save with the public class name. Public class name means I will explain the example here. I am opening Notepad. I am writing two classes, class A. There is one more class, class B. Now class B is public. So you have to save this file as b.java. First of all, you need to give more priority to public class. So Java program must save with public class name. Public class name. Right. After saving, what you have to do? You have to compile. For compilation, C language, Alt F9 you have to use. But here it doesn't provide any compile time environment also. Java developers does not provide any compile time environment also. Compile time environment. So we can use DOS means disk operating system, or CMD means command prompt for compilation. Command prompt means go to run and type CMD. Then you can open on screen. It is known as command prompt. Here you can compile your Java program and here you can run your Java program. So CMD means command prompt. DOS means disk operating system for compilation. After compilation, what you have to do? After compilation, you have to run the program. To running also, Java does not provide any environment. Java developers does not provide any runtime environment. So we can use same DOS. We can use the DOS or command prompt for running the application. Right? This is about how to build a Java program. This is the way you have to create your first application. Right? Note on this. In today's class, do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Right. If you don't have any doubt in today's class, after writing this program, you can leave from the class. Amma, time is up. Can I leave from the class or do you have any doubt? Chandrasekhar, completed?
Clear, sir.
Radhika, Sapna?
Completed,
Chandrasekhar, okay,
sir.
good. Any doubt? No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good.